Think your first draft is ready to submit? Think again. Many law students fall into a trap that can severely undermine their arguments. We're about to reveal the critical step that separates top performing legal writers from the rest. Revision is the unsung hero of legal writing. It's where good arguments become great and weak points get strengthened or eliminated. But here's the thing. Many students are tempted to skip this crucial step. Maybe you're short on time, or you're just confident that your first draft is solid. Trust me, I've been there before. But skipping revisions is like showing up to court without reviewing your case notes. It's a recipe for disaster. So, why is revision so important in legal writing? This is your chance to take a step back and look at your argument with fresh eyes. You can spot the logical gaps, you can tighten up your language, you can even make sure that every word is pulling its weight. Remember, in legal writing, clarity and precision are key. A well-revised document can be the difference between convincing a judge and just leaving them confused. So when you're revising, focus on three key areas: clarity, conciseness, and coherence. For clarity, ask yourself, would someone unfamiliar with this case understand my argument? Are my points clearly stated and supported? For conciseness, look for unnecessary words or repetitive phrases. Every word should serve a purpose. And for coherence, make sure your arguments flow logically from one to the next. Here are some practical tips for effective self-editing. First tip is take a break before revising. This will help you approach your work with a fresh set of eyes. Second tip is read your document out loud. I can't tell you how much this helps. It can help you catch awkward phrasing or run-on sentences. The third is to use a checklist to ensure that you've covered all the essential elements of your argument. Next, you need to get feedback from your peers or your mentors. Sometimes an outside perspective can spot issues that you've overlooked. And last, don't just focus on grammar and spelling. Even though it is important, these shouldn't be your only concerns during your revision. Remember, revision isn't just about fixing mistakes, it's about transforming good writing into great writing. It's your chance to sharpen your arguments, strengthen your evidence, and make sure your writing is as persuasive as possible. To help you in this process, here's a revision checklist that's tailored for legal writing. The first thing is your thesis statement clear and assertive? Does each paragraph support your thesis? Have you properly cited all your sources? Is your argument organized logically? Have you addressed potential counterarguments? Does your conclusion effectively summarize your main points without redundancy? By following these steps and using this checklist, you can take your legal writing from good to great. Remember, the difference between a winning argument and a losing one often comes down to the details. And those details are what you uncover and refine during your revision.